Most of the cast iron seats we sell are from the Coalbrookdale foundry or other foundries in this country. And occasionally we see some French ones. The French seem to specialise more in producing sculpture than seats. But this one was actually made by the Ducel foundry, which originally started in about 1810 in France. And then, like so many of the other foundries there, it was eventually amalgamated into the more well-known Valdosny foundry much later in the century. It was probably cast round about 1860 and absolutely in a Gothic style with all of this tracery going on. This particular example is unusual because it's actually got the foundry stamp on the bottom, Ducel, which helps it. The other big bonus with this is that it's always difficult if you own a seat like this, whether to strip it and repaint it. This one has still got a lot of its original Victorian creamy layers of paints with just the occasional bit of rust showing through. It's also sadly lost its original seat. This particular design has an inherent design fault where the original seat, which was cast iron and pierced with hexagons, is very, very fragile and most of them break. So a long time ago someone's replaced it with some wooden slats, which, yes, it does detract from its originality, but it was done quite a long time ago, so it's still really quite a desirable piece to have.